Start here.
Welcome to Start Here, a transformative journey from the Start Here with Jefferson YouTube channel. This playlist is designed to help you navigate and achieve your personal and professional goals. We delve into essential aspects of personal growth, helping you take that crucial first step towards change and success. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Let this be yours. Explore your purpose. Define your passions and set meaningful goals. Change is vital and growth guarantees a better tomorrow. Together, we can unlock your potential. Join us today and begin your journey. Warm regards, Jefferson.
Welcome to the section Financial Mastery.
This section is designed to help you take control of your financial future by building the skills and mindset needed for financial mastery. You'll explore practical strategies for managing money effectively, setting realistic financial goals, and making informed decisions that align with your values and long-term vision. From budgeting and saving to investing wisely, you'll learn the essentials of financial planning to create stability and growth in your finances. Beyond the basics, this section guides you in developing a wealth-building mindset. You'll discover how to overcome common financial challenges, avoid debt traps, and make choices that support lasting financial health. With a focus on financial literacy, you'll gain insights into balancing spending with saving, growing your wealth through investments, and preparing for future financial needs. Through actionable steps and empowering examples, you'll be encouraged to take ownership of your financial journey. By mastering these principles, you'll build confidence in managing your money, creating a secure foundation that supports both your present needs and future aspirations. This section equips you with the tools to achieve financial freedom, empowering you to live a life of stability, opportunity, and independence.
Today's episode.
Chapter 44. Give more money. Introduction.
Giving is one of the most powerful tools for creating positive change both in the world and in your personal life. Whether through charity, community support, or helping someone in need, giving money can transform lives and foster deeper connections. Beyond its practical benefits, generosity nurtures compassion, empathy, and gratitude. Many people view giving as something reserved for the wealthy, but this couldn't be further from the truth. Regardless of your financial status, giving within your means can make a meaningful difference. Moreover, giving often creates a ripple effect, inspiring others to contribute and fostering a culture of kindness and social responsibility. This chapter explores why giving matters, how to do it effectively, and the profound impact it can have. By learning to give more intentionally, you can align your financial goals with a greater purpose, leaving a lasting legacy of compassion and impact.
Understanding the concept.
Giving money is not just about making donations or fulfilling obligations. It's about creating value and improving lives. The concept of giving can be broken down into three main approaches. One, charitable giving. Supporting organizations or causes that resonate with your values, such as health, education, or environmental preservation. 2, community support. Helping those directly around you, whether it's a neighbor in need or a local project. 3, social impact giving. Strategically funding initiatives that address systemic issues such as poverty, inequality, or access to clean water. The act of giving creates a sense of purpose, strengthening your connection to humanity. Research has shown that acts of generosity activate the brain's reward system, enhancing happiness and reducing stress. Furthermore, giving demonstrates gratitude for what you have, fostering a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. However, effective giving requires intentionality. It's essential to research organizations, set realistic goals for contributions, and evaluate the impact of your donations. By doing so, you can ensure that your giving aligns with your values and has a meaningful impact.
Challenges and solutions.
One, financial constraints. Many feel they lack the resources to give. Solution: start small. Even minor contributions, such as skipping a coffee to donate £5, can make a difference. 2, mistrust in organizations. Concerns about transparency or misuse of funds can deter giving. Solution: research reputable charities or use platforms that track organizational accountability, such as Charity Navigator or GuideStar. 3, unclear purpose. Some struggle to identify where their money can make the most impact. Solution: reflect on your values and passions and choose causes that resonate with you, whether local or global. 4, inconsistency. Giving sporadically may limit impact. Solution: set a recurring contribution amount, even if small, to create a sustained impact over time. 5, burnout. Overextending financially can lead to stress. Solution: set a realistic giving budget that doesn't compromise your financial health.
Practical applications.
1, create a giving plan. Identify causes or organizations that align with your values. Dedicate a specific percentage of your income to giving, ensuring it fits within your overall financial plan. 2, engage locally. Support local schools, food banks, or community initiatives. Even small contributions can have a significant impact on your immediate surroundings. 3, participate in matching programs. Many companies offer matching donations. Leverage these opportunities to amplify the impact of your contributions. Four, microloans and crowdfunding. Platforms like Kiwa allow you to lend small amounts to entrepreneurs in developing countries, helping them create sustainable livelihoods. 5. Be creative. Giving doesn't always have to involve large sums of money. Fundraisers, bake sales, or donating skills, e.g., accounting or graphic design, can supplement monetary contributions.
Case studies or examples.
One, Patrice Cullors, co-founder of the Black Lives Matter movement. Cullors has directed funding to grassroots initiatives supporting social justice. 2. Akshay Patra Foundation, a community-driven effort providing midday meals to school children, funded by small-scale donors and philanthropists. 3. Mo Ibrahim, founder of the Ibrahim Foundation, dedicated to improving governance and leadership in Africa through strategic giving. Patrice Cullors directed funding through the Black Lives Matter movement to grassroots social justice initiatives, showing how targeted giving drives impactful change. The Akshay Patra Foundation exemplifies how small-scale donors can transform lives, providing millions of midday meals to school children. Mo Ibrahim's foundation focuses on governance and leadership in Africa, demonstrating how strategic philanthropy can address systemic issues. These examples highlight the transformative power of giving when aligned with purpose and vision.
Personal reflections.
Reflect on your current relationship with giving. What causes resonate most deeply with you? Write down 3 ways you can begin or expand your giving efforts, such as supporting a local charity, contributing to an international cause, or offering financial help to someone in your network. Think about the values that guide your giving and how you can align this with your financial goals. Commit to taking at least one step within the next month.
Conclusion.
Giving more money is not only about financial contributions, but also about creating meaningful change and fostering connections. By understanding your capacity to give and aligning it with your values, you can maximize your impact while experiencing the joy and fulfillment that come from helping others. Start small, stay consistent, and remember that generosity is a practice that enriches both the giver and the receiver. Empower your giving journey today and witness how it transforms the lives of others and your own.
A final thought with Jefferson. The title of this episode of A Final Thought with Jefferson is Resilience in Adversity, Standing Strong When Life Gets Tough.
Adversity is an inescapable part of life, and it is during these testing times that the strength of your character is revealed. When life presents challenges, it offers you a chance to build resilience and demonstrate your inner power. Each setback is not a signal of defeat, but an opportunity to learn, grow, and emerge even stronger. Begin by accepting that tough times are temporary. When you encounter difficulties, remind yourself that adversity does not define you, it refines you. Strength is born from determination and the resolve to keep moving forward despite obstacles. Take a moment each day to reflect on past challenges you have overcome. These are the proof of your ability to withstand adversity. Adopt a mindset that sees obstacles as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. When faced with hardship, break your challenges into manageable parts. Focus on what you can control and take incremental actions to regain your footing. Every small effort to improve your situation builds the foundation of resilience. Build a support system around you. Share your struggles with trusted friends, mentors, or family members who can offer encouragement and practical advice. Their unwavering belief in you can provide the strength you need during rough times. Remember, resilience is not about pretending that everything is perfect. It is about recognizing the difficulties, facing them head-on, and refusing to let them stand in the way of your progress. Embrace the tough moments as opportunities to prove to yourself that you are capable of rising above any challenge. Today, stand strong in the face of adversity. Choose to fight for your dreams despite the odds that may come your way. Let every challenge fuel your determination to create a life of courage and achievement. Your resilience is the force that will guide you through the storm and lead you to brighter days ahead.